I'll call it the typewriter effect. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna call it. So subscribe, comment, like. Yeah, let's get into the video. So as you can see, this is Premiere Pro right here. Yeah, this is my sequence. I had made this edit before. Let's see. Well, let me take it to the beginning. Okay, now let me remove everything. Well, I'm going first to take the audio that I used and drag it into my timeline. Yeah, well, you can get the audio from online. Yeah, I'll show you where I got mine. And then you can put your footage. As for me, I used some stock footage. Yeah, you can drop your stock footage down below. Yeah, once you have your stock footage, well, for this part is mostly optional, but what I decided, because the video is a bit long, I decided to shorten the video. Let me try and modify it a bit. I think I want it to be a bit shorter. Now you proceed, you take your text tool, you go onto your program window and you drag it, and make and you highlight, and then click on the graphics on the timeline. Yeah, and then now open effects control panel. Once you're there, go down to text, click the little arrow pointing down, you'll see a watch. Click on the watch, and then now you can modify the text. So you could change the font. For me, I chose Cosmic Sans. You could change the color, change the size, change the boldness. Yeah, and then change the opacity, create a shadow, change the opacity of the shadow. Yeah, and then after you've done that, you could now select the color of the text. For me, I just went with some classic stuff right there. And as you can see, I managed to source my color from the actual timeline. Yeah, that was a bit creative. Yeah, after you've done that and you think everything is set just fine, now just pick your color. Once you've picked your color, go to your program window. Yeah, now start typing with the watch on the effects control on. Start typing word by word. Okay, so for each time you type a word, you have to move the keyframe. So there's this box over here. You zoom in onto this box and then make sure that you can see, like, you see the cursor. Make sure it moves according to the frames, like one by one, not all of them at once, just one by one, one by one. Once you've done that, now you go to the beginning, click on space with the watch still active, and then now skip one frame, then I'll put your first letter A, then I'll go back to that box again. Yeah, move your cursor again, move to another time frame. Yeah, put a space. Yeah, okay, let me scroll up so that you can see. Okay, so it should be something like this. I think I'm going to correct it. You're gonna see. Okay, there it is. Now you just move around. You can see how it's going on. Yeah, now click on the timeline, select the graphic, keyframe box, move it, move one frame, right B, move another frame, right I, move another frame, right G, yeah, small g of course. And then now move another frame, put space, move another frame, put capital C, move another frame, right C, okay, not C, right H, move another frame, right O, move move another frame, right B, move another frame, right B again, move another frame, right E, move another frame, right R, then move another frame, put space, move another frame, put E, move another frame, put N, move another frame, put T. Yeah, so in total that's gonna read like Big Chopper Entertainment. Okay, and then now once you get there, move another frame, put space, move another frame, put F, move another frame, put I, move another frame, put L, move another frame, put film, FILM. Once you're there, you're done. Yeah, but of course you're supposed to use your own words, not my words. But if you wanna promote Big Chopper Entertainment, hey, yo, shout out to my latest music video. It's on Big Chopper Entertainment. Yeah, and as you can see, the color is nice, the font is bold, and now I'm going to use the effects control panel to center the text. I want it to be exactly at the center, so just use the position, move it, play with it around. You could also go to Essential Graphics, align and transform, and press those two boxes over there. You can see like two boxes with some squares in the middle. Yeah, press them. If it doesn't work, go back to effects control, graphics, position, and move it around until it works. Well, as you can see, it's short, so I'm going to zoom in and cut and decrease. I'm going to do some editing onto the sound, onto the typewriter effect, so that it can fit nicely. It should not start with quietness. It should start with the clicking, like, yeah, that type of clicking. Yeah, so if you have any gaps, you can ripple delete. Yeah, and then I'll shorten the end. After that, I'll zoom out, and then I'll pull my footage in between, and then now render in to out. Yeah, it's done, and just like that, you have a Big Chopper Entertainment film. Yeah, let's see how this thing goes. But just like that, you have your typewriter effect. If you liked it, drop a comment down below. If you wanna see more of my tutorials, drop a comment below. Comment, of course, drop a like, and share my videos.